Hi everyone, my name is Jason and welcome to my channel. So I picked up this model at the new US flagship Bandai store, which is located in the Richmond, Virginia hobby town. They converted a section of the interior to highlight Bandai kits, modeling tools, and various accessories. It's a nice area that includes Bandai's offerings for Gundam, Star Wars, their 30-minute missions kits, Pokemon, Macross, and others. The store still has everything else Hobbytown is known for, but the dedicated Bandai section inside just feels special since the other Hobbytown locations I've been to have a small fraction of the Gunpla that's on display there. So now onto the kit. Bandai's 1100 YF-29 belonging to Alto Sao Tome from Macross Frontier is a great little kit. The Valkyrie depicts Alto's fighter from the second movie, The Wings of Farewell. When built, the kit offers the ability to transform into the 3 different Macross modes, fighter, Gerwalk mode, and Batroid mode. It has a new shortcut change system that basically allows you to change out different parts quickly to make it easier to transform. The model is highly posable, including missile hatches, expanding weapons, and multiple hand poses. I've opened the box before filming to remove the parts from their bags, and I've washed them in warm soapy water before assembly. Inside the box, you will find a 20-page multicolor instruction sheet, including the layout of the different runners. The methodical Bandai instructions are well laid out. They even give you instructions as to when to put on different decals, or, well, in this case, the stickers that come with the kit. And it even includes information on the pilot, Alto Sao Tome, here, and various explanations on how to transform the kit into the different modes, and includes a extensive paint guide to allow you to figure out what colors of paint you might want to use on it. The kit comes with stickers only to represent the markings, and 13 colored plastic runners. So let's dig in. Okay. First we have just move this out of the way here. First we have a multicolored runner that comes with iridescent canopies, the fold quartz, and has the different missile racks, which you can see in here, that allow it to be displayed open or closed. Next, there's a couple of red runners that have really nice panel line details. They're well represented here. And there's slightly different shades of red, in case you didn't notice. It's kind of hard to see on this, but yeah, they're definitely 2 different shades of red. Then there's 3 white runners, and these depict the various, the 2 different versions of the cockpit. This one goes for the Batroid mode, and as you can see here, there's not a lot of detail in here, but what is here is nicely represented. Here's the next one. And here's the second cockpit that's depicted. And this one's for the fighter and Gerwalk modes. And these are part of that quick change, or the shortcut change system that they mentioned earlier. And the detail's minimal. I definitely plan on adding more to it. The first warm gray runner includes the different weapon details. Then there's a couple cooler gray runners that have the various hand poses on them and the landing gear. And it only comes with one pilot, which is depicted here. And that's kind of a shame, because I'd like to have a second pilot for the different canopy, or for the different cockpit version. Then we have two more runners, again with the slightly different colors. So, you know, it's nice detail in here. And lastly, well, one more warm gray panel or runner that has different details on it as well. And last but not least, the stand, which comes in 4 parts. Interestingly enough, this kit doesn't have any poly caps in it, but it's definitely made with different plastics that'll make it easier to transform over time, and should be a nice rugged kit for building. These are all really crisp and detailed plastic runners with undergates to minimize the cleanup, and it has a grand total of 210 parts that I counted. The canopy molding is pretty thick, which obscures the plain cockpit. I'm sure it builds up nice, but since I'm planning to improve the cockpit and possibly the landing gear, I'm going to use a thinner vacuum formed canopy that I'm going to make, and probably a second pilot so that both cockpits can be manned. If there are any other issues that come up, I will mention them as I go and progress through the model. While I was at the store, I also picked up a decal sheet that has even more details than are represented in the sticker sheet. The only drawback with the decals is that they're so thin and delicate that when the model is transformed, or just handling it in general, they're more prone to ripping or tearing, getting scuffed up and everything. So I'm definitely going to be putting a clear top coat over these once I've applied them. But they'll be nice in that they can really snuggle down into the panel lines and all that. So that'll be really cool. Also, on a prior visit to that store, I picked up a display base that represents like a cityscape. This will be great for the various modes, but I'm still not sure how I want to display it and finish it. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be using this or if I'm going to put highly detailed landing gear in there and display it as a fighter mode. So if you'd like this video, press the like button. And if you want to see more content, please subscribe to this channel as I build this kit and others in upcoming videos. And thanks for watching.